Today we will study an important topic in chemistry called electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the arrangement of electrons in different shells and orbitals of an atom. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain energy levels called shells. Part 1. Shells in an atom. According to the Bohr model, electrons move in fixed shells around the nucleus. These shells are K shell, n equals 1, L shell, n equals 2, M shell, n equals 3, N shell, n equals 4. The shell closest to the nucleus has lowest energy, and the outer shells have higher energy. Number Part 2, maximum electrons in a shell. The maximum number of electrons that can be present in a shell is given by the formula 2n squared, where n is the shell number. Examples, K shell, 2 electrons, L shell, 8 electrons, M shell, 18 electrons, N shell, 32 electrons. Now for Part 3, rules for filling shells. 1. Electrons fill inner shells first. Order K, L, M, N. A shell cannot contain electrons more than its maximum capacity. The outermost shell generally cannot have more than 8 electrons. Now, Part 4 examples, shell method. Lithium, atomic number equals 3, K equals 2, L equals 1, electronic configuration 2, 1. Sodium, atomic number equals 11, K equals 2, L equals 8, M equals 1, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. Calcium, atomic number equals 20, K equals 2, L equals 8, 8, N equals 2, electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Part 5, orbital method, modern method. Now, students, let us study the orbital method, which is the modern way of writing electronic configuration. Each shell is divided into subshells called orbitals. These orbitals are s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. Part 6, maximum electrons in an orbital. One very important rule is an orbital can contain maximum 2 electrons only. This rule is explained by the Pauli exclusion principle. The 2 electrons in an orbital must have opposite spins. We represent it like this. Part 7, number of orbitals in each subshell. Subshell, orbitals, maximum electrons, S, 1, 2, P, 3, 6, D, 5, 10, F, 7, 14. Example, P subshell has 3 orbitals. So maximum electrons equal 3 and 2 equals 6. Part 8, order of filling orbitals. Electrons fill orbitals according to the Aufbau principle, which means lower energy orbitals fill first. The order is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Part 9, example, orbital method, equals 6. Electronic configuration, 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p squared. Orbital diagram, 1s, 2s, 2p. Electrons first occupy empty orbitals before pairing. This rule is called Hund's rule. Conclusion. So students, today we learned electronic configuration, shell method KLMN, formula 2n squared, orbital method SPDF. One orbital can hold maximum 2 electrons. Principles like Aufbau, Pauli, and Hund's rule. Understanding electronic configuration helps us understand chemical bonding and properties of elements.